I'd been working in the field of high-throughput screening for about 15 years. This involves the use of robotic technology for large-scale biology experiments. Now, one problem I kept seeing was that biologists could use this technology to generate a lot of data very quickly, but they often didn't have either the expertise or the tools in order to help them make sense of their data. Invariably, they would have to work with a data scientist in order to help them with data analysis. This would introduce delays and increase costs. So I thought to myself, what these scientists really need is an intuitive tool in order to help them turn their data into knowledge. So I decided to develop a software platform to help them to do just that. There was just one problem. At the time, I knew virtually nothing about software development.
At the end of 2011, I joined the lab of David Egan in Utrecht as a PhD candidate. I hardly knew anything about high-throughput biology, but I had a solid background in computer science, statistics, and data mining. And together we built a tool called HC StratoMineR. We designed the tool to make use of cloud-based computing to make it accessible and scalable. This allows other biologists to also make use of the full power of cloud computing. We also found out that other biologists outside Utrecht were also interested in using HC StratoMineR. That's when we decided to found Core Life Analytics.
HC StratoMineR has a number of clear benefits for our clients. It helps reduce the time required for this complex data analysis, since the biologist doesn't have to go to a data scientist for help. It also helps to reduce costs, because, well, data scientists are expensive, and since it's a cloud-based tool, the client doesn't have to invest in new hardware.
To use HC StratoMineR, the user just needs access to the internet. The system provides suggestions as it guides the user through a data analysis workflow. With HC StratoMineR, there is no need for any coding or moving data back and forth from one tool to another. What novice users can do in a few hours using HC StratoMineR would take days or even weeks if they were working with a data scientist.
Our experience with HC StratoMineR has shown that it's possible to empower even non-specialists in the use of big data by giving them access to intuitive analytics tools. At Core Life Analytics, we're already developing new tools for other areas in life sciences research, all based on the same concept. You shouldn't have to wait for someone else to analyze your data.